This has been an endeavor and a half. Hello, welcome back to Classics with a Quirk, where we talk about contemporary and luxury designer items and brands with a touch of silliness. This is the kind of content that you find interesting. Please do like this video and subscribe for more of it. Thank you. Really? Right then? Of course. I wanted to start by saying that 1, I'm very excited but also very trepidatious about the unboxing that I have to share with you today, and 2, timestamps will be down below in the event that you want to skip straight to the unboxing, because I have a story time to tell you why I am both excited and trepidatious. And obviously I want to tell you the story before I unbox it, because after I unbox it, it won't make sense to tell you this story. Of course, feel free to skip straight to the unboxing if you want to just see what I got and not listen to me just chatter on before I unbox the item. But for those of you who are interested in the story time, I'm going to just start now. So normally I would wait to tell you what the item is until the unboxing itself, because usually you like the build up and then you see what it is and it's a big reveal and it's a lot of fun. But I'm going to just go ahead and tell you what this is now, because this has to do with the story, which is this is supposed to be a YSL wristlet in the beautiful green field color that I have been obsessed with since it came out. Supposed to be. So this has been a saga, and this is my tale of woe with hopefully a happy ending. So I discovered this field green color originally in the crossbody bag, the Mini Lou camera bag, and I loved it. I fell in love with it. I bought the camera bag, ended up returning it, kind of regret returning it, but that's a whole different thing. I'll link the videos for you just so you know that's what happened. But part of the reason that I was okay with returning the green Mini Lou in this field green color, or green field color, is because it was also out in a wristlet, and I really liked the wristlet, because while I like the Mini Lou, and I did buy one in dark beige too now, and I'm very happy with it, I really particularly wanted this green field color in the envelope pattern and style. I really like the envelope shape that YSL has, and so I kind of wanted this particular color in the wristlet. I liked it as the little wristlet pop of color. So I found the wristlet, and it was not sold very many places, but I found the wristlet being sold by Neiman Marcus. And it was back ordered, but they said that the shipping date would be sometime in January. This was in November of 2021. So in November of 2021, I bought the wristlet in the greenfield color from Neiman Marcus and purchased it. It was supposed to be sent out or shipped out in January, and I was content waiting for 2 months. I had no problem with that. I was going to get it eventually. I was really excited, so I purchased it, and then I waited. And I waited, and I waited, and in January, like mid-January, I was contacted by Neiman Marcus to say that we're sorry, your order was canceled, there is no more stock. And I was very bummed. I mean, I had wanted the color, I had purchased it in a different piece and then returned it, so I was hoping to get the color in the wristlet, and I was no longer going to get it anymore, and was, kind of bummed about that. And through this entire process, I was talking to a friend of mine on Instagram about both of us ordered the wristlet in the green color, and both of us ordered it, to be back ordered from Neiman Marcus, and then it was canceled for both of us, and we were both, again, kind of disappointed. But then my friend discovered that Nordstrom was selling the wristlet in the green field, but only sometimes. For some reason, on Nordstrom, the page that was selling this wristlet was flip-flopping between the gray color, like the slate gray that is, I think, a new current season color, and the green field, which is, I suppose, an older season color. They were flip-flopping. So you'd see a picture of the gray wristlet, but the color in the description said green. And then sometimes the picture would show the green wristlet with the description being green field. It was sold out in the green picture color, and then it was available in the gray with the green available. It was very confusing, and it was listed as sold out for a while, but I kept checking back like off and on, because my friend said that when she contacted Nordstrom said that they were getting in stock once in a while, and so it would just be put on the website as in stock whenever they had some. So occasionally it would be in stock and occasionally it wouldn't be. And there was a couple of times that it was in stock, but the picture displayed was the gray bag, even though it was listed as a green color. But then one day I checked on a complete whim. Like I think I checked just because I was trying to get a screenshot of the wristlet itself. I wanted to get a picture to put it in a video. And then it was listed as in stock. It was listed in stock. The picture was green and the description was greenfield. It was in stock. And I don't think I've ever checked out as fast as I did then. Like I checked out immediately, I bought it, and then I contacted my friend to say, hey, it's in stock, and it was sold out. I guess I got the last one. I felt so bad, but I bought it, and that's what this is. The thing is though, a couple weeks later, I checked again just because I was checking for my friend too, because we were both hoping that she'd be able to get one also. And she was able to buy it. It was in stock again with the picture being gray, but the description still saying green. She bought it and I was so excited for her. Hers arrived actually earlier than mine because mine was listed as back ordered for some reason, but then it was back in stock and I don't know why, but hers arrived and she got the gray color. And we were both so disappointed. She returned it immediately. We were both so disappointed, but now I don't know what color this is. I don't know if this is the gray color because the website was glitching and was listing it as green when it was really gray, or if it's the green color and it's the right color because the website was telling me the truth. I have no idea. And so I want to unbox it. I'm going to unbox it with you. You're going to definitely see my true, real reaction about whatever is inside this box. And that's the story. That's the buildup. I don't know what this actually contains. It's supposed to contain the green color that I love so much, but it might not. It might contain the gray color, which is a beautiful color, but I don't particularly want it. So there are basically two outcomes to this scenario. I unbox it, it's the green color, I'm super happy, I keep it, or I unbox it, it's the gray color, I'm probably quite disappointed and I return it. Those are the two options. So we're going to discover that together. We're going to see what this box contains and you're going to get a real live experience about my excitement or my disappointment. So now that I've given you the riveting backstory, we are going to actually unbox this item and see what it does in fact contain. So there's just this one flap here and just, there we go. I think that's it. Yeah. Okay, super easy. Flap open, tissue paper, okay. And then inside is the item. So no box this time, but I bought this again. I bought this from Nordstrom, so I don't actually know how they package things. I can feel it, it's in plastic, so protection. There's no card or anything, but I will worry about that later. First of all, let's see what this is. So, okay, you ready? I'm not even gonna peek, I'm gonna just slide it out. Okay, all right, let's see, I can feel it. Okay. Okay, yes, 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 all right, yay, it's the green. Yes, it's the green, okay, great, yay, oh my goodness. Oh wow, okay. that was very stressful. But yeah, oh wow, wow, look at this color. Okay, so here it is. This is the green field color with the silver, bright silver hardware, and I personally think that this is beautiful. I think this is so nice, and I love that it's like this little pop that you can wear as a wristlet. So I guess that the wristlet is inside here. So here's some tissue paper and okay, wait, so all right, so the card and authenticity stuff and all the packaging information is in this. That's great that it's there. Here's the tag, okay, with the color and the price. So there we are. In the event that you want to try to track this down. However, no. The wristlet, did I, hang on. Is it in the dust bag? No. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Okay, empty box. Are you, what? Are you joking? What the? It's missing this, it's missing the wristlet strap. What? So there's supposed to be a wristlet strap that hooks onto here, and it's supposed to come with it. It is... Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I guess I will be contacting Nordstrom and just going like, hey, what's going on here? What the heck? I mean, I'm a little bit this was a roller coaster of emotions, wasn't it? This was like very excited and then very, oh dear, I wonder if I'm going to have to return it then, because if it doesn't come with the wristlet strap, like I don't think they just have it lying around. I mean, well, okay, well, it is beautiful and I do love this color. I've been talking about this color forever. And this is such a good size. Like this is a really nice size. Like it's a wristlet, comes with a, or it should come with a little wristlet strap, but this could easily be converted into a walk with just an additional chain. And I was going to do that. I was going to use a chain to also be able to wear this crossbody or on the shoulder if I so chose. And it's also like, again, like this is a really good size. Like you could fit a decent amount of stuff in here. And it's $745, which I thought was a pretty good price. And here, just for reference, just so I can show you. So this is my phone. This is a Pixel 3 with a very large case on it and a backing. And this is it next to the wristlet. So I don't know if I'd be able to stand this up. No, I can't stand it up, but this like goes in there with plenty of room to spare. I don't even know if you'll be able to see it because it's a black hole, but with that really thick phone, I mean, I'd be able to get a card holder and some other things in here, no problem. But, all right, well, you definitely got an interesting experience with this unboxing. I don't know what to do. So, well, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to be contacting Nordstrom and just being like, hey, what's up? Please explain. I don't think it would make sense to keep it without the wristlet strap. I mean, regardless, like it's supposed to come with the wristlet strap. I mean, I love the item. I don't know if they'd like give me a discount for it not coming with the strap. I might consider that actually, because I love this so much. I might consider I don't know. What do you think? Do you think I should keep this? I mean, again, it was $745. It didn't come with the wristlet strap, which is kind of part of the item. I'm going to contact Nordstrom, but what would you do? Would you keep this if they offered you like a discount on it, or would you just send it back? I don't know. I've been wanting this color so much that I'm very on the fence. Like I'm really torn. Well, thank you so much for watching this video and sharing this experience with me and witnessing everything that happened, which was quite a time. And yeah, this is my luck, isn't it? This is my luck. So, right, well, okay, this is funny. At this point, this is hilarious. Yeah, okay, I think I'm done. I don't know if I have anything else to say today. If you like this video, please do give it a like. It super duper helps the algorithm, and subscribe for more content that helps the algorithm even more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.